Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Wellberg extra large electric tandoor. So this is the box that it comes in. There is no information on this box. However, we're going to open this and show you what's inside. This is what you find inside the box, and this particular tandoor comes with a metallic body. It's also painted black, as you can see. It comes with a metallic body, has a solid black painting, and this is a 3-pin cable that comes with it. This is basically the power cord. It's a braided cable as well, as you can see, so you will not tear it or break it easily. You've seen that no other components are here, but inside the tray there are a lot of stuff. Let's quickly see what they are. From the top we have some documents. This is the user manual. It comes with descriptions, cleaning and maintenance tips and tricks, do's and don'ts. Also comes with a lot of recipes that you can use this machine to make. Okay, this is a magic cloth. I'll come to it. What else do we have? We have these pair of mittens as well for when you want to take out the tray and the food from inside this particular tandoor. Okay. There's a couple of handles for the trays basically, and this is the grilling tray in question, so you can use this particular tandoor to grill stuff as well, like pizzas and stuff. So this is the thing that you use when you want to make such food items. There are also these 4 skewers that come with it, so when you want to say make kebabs or something of that order, you can use these skewers as well. So this is the tray handle, so once your food is done, this is what you use to pull the tray out. And there are 4 rubber stops for this particular tandoor. This is to make sure that the tandoor comes with extra stability. I'm not putting them on right now. They are in a packet like this. Actually, I will show them to you. So there you go. These are the 4 rubber stops that comes with this particular tandoor. And we also have a pizza cutting knife. There you see. This is a pizza cutting knife right over here. And what else do we have? Did I miss something? Yeah, and it also comes with this particular cloth. This is called a magic cloth. This is what you use to basically you prepare food on top of this, among other utilities. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Wellberg extra large electric tandoor. Thank you for watching.